and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video and new hair. Y'all, if y'all have seen my most recent video, this is my new bob from Nadula Hair, and I actually love it. I've come to love it. So I'm wearing it to the side today. And then my glasses, y'all already know, are from Voogueme. I will have the style here. I will have them linked below along with my discount code if you are interested. Today's video is going to be a Stitch Fix unboxing. This is, I think, box number 4. I'm really anxious to get into it. So without further ado, I don't want to have a super long intro. Let's go ahead and get into it. Yeah. So here she is, and again, like last month, my box is like barely taped, but we gonna get into it. Okay, so let's go ahead and tear this baby off. So here's the tea on my last Stitch Fix unboxing. I didn't keep anything. I know. Don't cuss me out in the comments. I should have, and I'm beating myself, up about it. But I didn't keep anything. And I have my reasons. I'll explain to you guys at a later time. I did have my reasons though for not keeping anything. But it was a really good box. Definitely a good box. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, I always link the info, put the description and information in the description box below. Also, I have a referral link for you. It's the same one that you would get when you sign up, but just so that you can sign up, you get $25 of credit towards your box. So free money, y'all, for you to make a purchase. So go ahead and sign up. Here is the inside of my box here. You get this little card that has your style notes and all of that from your stylist. The prices of everything are in here. Your return envelope, free return shipping. And then here are my clothes, and it looks like I have a pair of shoes. So let's go ahead and get into the clothes. Ooh, okay. This is real cute. So this is a blouse. I love these eyelets. So it has these little cutout eyelet insert things. I love this. I love the cut of this shirt too. This is from Daniel Rain, size 2X. Love this. This is super cute. Love the pleats along the back of the shirt. This is real cute. I'm excited to try this on. Okay, there's that. Ooh, something leopard print. They know me this well by now. Ooh, here is a long sleeve. Well, actually, it's like a 3/4 length sleeve. I would have preferred it be long sleeve so that I could wear it to work with no jacket, but I could still wear it to work with a jacket. So this is cute. It's 3/4 length. This is by the brand Lush, and this is a size 2XL leopard print shirt. It is not a button up though. It's a pullover style shirt with pleating in the back. Super cute. It looks a little big, but when I get it on, it probably will fit perfectly. Let me not prejudge. What is this? I love this color. Okay. Ooh, okay. So this is like a wrap shirt. This is from the brand City Chic, and this is a size M/18. I don't know what kind of sizing that is, but M/18. Really cute. I love the sleeve on here. It's kind of a bell, but it's a 3/4 length sleeve. And this is a true wrap shirt. I don't think I even own yes, I do. I thrifted one. But I love this. And then the material is kind of a crepe material. I love this color. Ooh, I'm anxious to try that on. And then next is a pair of, I guess this is black skinny jeans. These don't really look like jeans though, but I really like these because I don't have many. I have like 2 or 3 pairs of black jeans, but only one pair fits good. So, and y'all have seen that pair. It's from Curve Appeal. I'll link them down below if I can find them, but I love those and they fit me so well. But all my other black jeans are really tight and I just can't be bothered. So these are from 1822 Denim. This is the butter denim. Ooh, that sounds promising. They are very, very stretchy. These are in a size 18. I'm excited to try these. And then last but not least, it looks like I have a pair of shoes. Let's see what we got. Ooh, okay. Here's some tea. I love Franco Sarto. It's a brand that you can get at like most of the like I get them a lot at like Marshalls and TJ Maxx, but you can also purchase them like retail at Nordstrom Rack. And I love their shoes. These are super cute because they're actually snake print. I love these. Oh my gosh, look at that. Very appropriate work height for that heel. Really cute. I love this. Okay, and this is in a size 9.5, I'm sure. And they are leather, which I love. So I love a leather shoe. I love a real leather handbag and shoe. So I'm excited to try these. Let's go ahead and get into them and see what we're working with, right? Okay, guys, here is the first shirt, and I love it. I love the way this fits. I love the detailing on the collar, like the neckline here. And the sleeve. I love this. It fits perfectly. It falls like right at my butt. It doesn't cling to me. It's very flattering. I'm hands down keeping this shirt. I love this shirt. I don't have anything in my collection like this. Love it. Love it. Are you kidding? This is bomb. Bomb. Definitely keeping this shirt. Okay, and here's the leopard shirt. I really, really like this. It's not much to it, but I love the fit of it. It's comfortable, it's casual, but it can be dressed up if I put it on with a blazer and some slacks. I really like the fit of it. It's not too big if it's just right. I really like this. It's not like, ooh, super bomb, but it's really nice. It's a nice shirt. The quality of it is decent. I really like this. Okay, guys, here is another hit. I love this shirt. I have my tank top on still, of course, because y'all know I knew it was going to be, and y'all know I'm not busty. But the sleeves, I love. I love the color. I love the fit. It's very flattering, gives me shape. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love the like the peplum effect it gives. Gives you shape, makes me look good and flattering. This material, it's like a crepey, stretchy. I love it. Love this shirt. I'm absolutely keeping this shirt. 100%. 100%. Love it. And it's unlike anything I have in my collection, so that's a real plus as well. Love it. Okay, next, guys, I have on the black pants. I've had them on this whole time. I love them. They are not like jeans. They're really stretchy, like more like jeggings. They have functioning back pockets, but the front pockets are not functioning pockets. That's kind of a meh, but I understand it because when jeans are form-fitting like this, it kind of buckles when you have pockets in the front, so I get that. But I love these. They fit amazingly. So bomb. And last but not least, here are the shoes. I really like them. They fit a little big. I could definitely size down on these, like a size 9, I think. But then I'd be worried that my heel would hang over. But I love the style of them, and I think they are very cute, very work appropriate. The heel is the perfect size for work. They're pretty comfortable, and I love that they're a genuine leather. So I am here for this whole box, y'all. Like, seriously. Ooh. Okay, guys. So I think we have our first like 5 out of 5 box for real, for real. I'm obsessed with everything. Love. If I'm honest, the piece that like thrills me the least is the leopard print shirt. Everything else, I am here for. So now let's go through the deets of everything. Because y'all, I haven't looked at any prices or anything. And I never read these cards to you guys, but the stylist always sends a card to be like personal with you. It says, "Hi Brandie, happy Fix Day. Thank you so much for your feedback. Knowing that the pieces from Fix number 3 are more your style helped me to select the items in this fix. So let's get started. I wanted to send you the 1822 denim skinny jeans. The black denim is great for dressing up or dressing more casual. I agree. This pair are a high-rise waist along with a bit of stretchy material as well. Try pairing them with the Lush blouse. I chose this piece for the pattern. I love it. I thought you might like. This is a nice piece for work or the weekend. Agreed. Another top I'm looking forward to hearing your feedback on is the City Chic wrap blouse. I love. The figure flattering top with a pop of color. I absolutely agree. And add the Franco Sarto heel for a little pop of print and you're good to go. Mary, you did this box, hun. I absolutely love this box. Absolutely love this box. It's a 5 out of 5 for me. It's a 5 out of 5 for me. Now let's see how much it's gonna cost me. So, woo! The shoes are $89, which is typical for Franco Sarto. The City Chic wrap shirt is $75. Ooh, that's steep, but I love it. The Lush split neck blouse is $44, which is the leopard print blouse. The cutout detail blouse is $64. I love it. It's probably, there's a tie between that one and the red blouse. Which one is my favorite? Then the denim pants are $48. Perfect. So the stylist total is $320. My discount is 25%, which is $80. Subtotal's $240. And yeah, so $240. Five out of 5. I'm obsessed. My first true 5 out of 5. Cause see, that first one with the jacket, I liked everything, but not enough to like keep everything. This is a true 5 out of 5 box for me. I absolutely love everything. Y'all gonna have to excuse my glisten. It's hot. But yeah, 5 out of 5, guys. Total of $240 or $220. Yeah, $240. And I'm sold on everything. So there's that. I will have it linked down below if you guys want to sign up for a limited time. You might have a higher credit than the regular 25. Who knows? Keep a lookout. It's a wonderful thing. Matter of fact, let me tell you that. When you sign up, you're immediately giving your credit. So your credit immediately goes towards your box. You don't have to wait till you get your box and then they charge, like your credit goes to you immediately. So it's really no obligation from you. Like if you sign up and you get the $25 credit, that's already the styling fee, if that makes sense. So it's a win-win for you guys. I love this box. 5 out of 5, 10 out of 10 really, and I'm here for it. But that's it for this video, guys. Make sure you're taking care of yourselves. Keep social distancing. Wear your masks if you can. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. And that's it. I love y'all. I'll see y'all later. Bye.